When mom messaged
What you say is her furniture though?
the room, some of the stuff that were in the room belonged to her. Some of them
It's a
belonged.
majority.
So you only had a table which belonged to your ex-girlfriend and one other item. So by the time she take out everything, now it's empty.
And that echo.
Yeah. Okay, so I had furniture from my previous property.
Yeah.
Zine, that I brought to this property. The TV stand, the table, the couch, and the bed. He had a dresser. She took the bed and turned it into this child's bed. As the way you can see, it was the white furniture from the video when she was moving out. No, and she did bring the fridge. She did bring a fridge because I gave away the fridge that I had at my apartment. To who? Guess who made the fridge?
Y'all tell me.
And it was a brand new fridge. And it was that fridge was a gift.
That you got and you gave it to her mother.